Quick hits, 3 ideas, 3 things that I've seen in the news recently that I wanted to comment on. Alphabet to buy Wiz cybersecurity firm. We know cybersecurity is becoming more and more a part of everything we do today. We want to protect our computers. We want to protect our systems, our everything. And we want to prevent hackers from getting in and stealing our information. Number 2, more countries starting to boycott American goods. We're hearing it all the time. Buy Canadian. We're hearing Europeans buy European goods rather than American goods. And perhaps this is not something that President Trump wanted to see or bargained for. And maybe this is something that comes out of all this, maybe a good thing for Canada, buying Canadian. Gold climbs to over $3,000 an ounce. First time we've all seen it, trading roughly today at around 3,040 last I checked, and it is the first time that we've seen this. So let's get to the first one. Alphabet buys Wiz cyber firm, and we can pull up a chart on Alphabet. The comments Alphabet made, even though they believe, and many believe, I think Alphabet will tell you themselves that they overpaid for this cybersecurity firm, paying $32 billion for it. Well, Google, it's an all-cash deal. Alphabet, Google has a lot of cash on the sidelines, so they can afford it. I don't think it's going to hurt them at all. But they are now adding a cybersecurity piece, a piece to their puzzle. So all the data center, all the AI, all the cloud business, everything that Google is involved in, whether it's driverless cars with their Waymo division, now they're going to have the cybersecurity to protect the information, protect their systems. And I think it just makes sense from the standpoint of any company, let alone a large or a massive company like Alphabet or Google. The second point, or the second idea, is, as I mentioned earlier, countries moving away from buying US. Countries moving away from traveling to the US. I know here in Canada, a lot of people during spring break told me that they're not going to travel to the US. They're going to travel within Canada this year. They're going to buy Canadian. We all know we've taken US alcohol off the shelves at the LCBO, at the stores, and more provinces. It was started here in Ontario by Premier Ford, and now more provinces are following suit. So more and more we're hearing, do not buy American, do not travel to the United States, buy Canadian, buy local. And as I said, perhaps that's not what the President of the United States, President Trump, had bargained for. Last, but definitely not least, our third point is gold. And we have a chart on gold reaching $3,000 an ounce. And you can see here, if you own gold or bought gold stocks, you've made out quite well. And my only comment there is, yes, many of you know me, I'm not a big gold bug. Gold has been going up because there's been a lot of chaos in the world, a lot of uncertainty in the world. And we know investors flock to gold when that is the case. Lately, with the US dollar becoming a little more soft, that also has helped the price of gold surge above $3,000. So 3 things in the news that I wanted to comment on that perhaps all of you have seen, or many of you have seen, and thought we would end up with a nice bottom left to top right chart on the price of gold.